The right triangle, the right triangle, the right triangle. Multiply, add, divide, subtract. The maths matrix. Copyrighted August the 26th, 2017 by W. Glenn Harewood, PhD. The integrated relationships between the four math functions: multiplying, adding, dividing, and subtracting for teachers as well as for students. Master master the four skills by looking at this triangle, the right triangle. If you take any number along the column, the far column in the left hand corner, the left hand side of this diagram, and multiply it by any number along the top horizontal or row of this figure. If you multiply B by A, you get the answer in the right triangle, C. If you divide C by A, you get the answer B. And if you divide C by B, you get the answer A. That is following the right triangle, always the right triangle. For example, you may have your students jump from A to B. You may have your students jump from B to A to get the answer C, or have them jump from B to C to divide and get the answer A. This is a powerful yet simple way of learning and teaching the four basic math skills: multiplication, addition, division, and subtraction. MADS, I call it the MADS math right triangle. Students should know this before they actually turn on their computers. Know these basic skills, master these basic skills before they turn on their computers. Visit glenneducation.com for the full matrix, for the 20 by 20 matrix. Again, it's the MADS triangle, the MADS right triangle. Very simple, but at the same time, very powerful. If you want to add, you just go to the farthest left-hand column and keep summing that number in the far left-hand column horizontally across the matrix. If you want to subtract, you go in the opposite direction. Start with the number in the column, whichever column you want, or from the top down, you in a straight line, you follow the triangle, the right triangle, and you just move backwards. It could be at any space or line along any row, along the column, any row. For subtraction, you go backwards along the row. For addition, you go forward along the row. For division, you go to the cell and divide. B divided into C gives A, or C divided by A gives you B. This is a powerful tool which can be used by teachers as well as by students. Again, visit glenneducation.com for the full matrix and explanation.